you sit across the table and you share food, it's this very communal experience. And when you've created it yourself, it's even more meaningful to them. And so that's really the experience that we're creating. That's what Traeger does. I remember the first time I sat down with our CFO. Every time I would ask for some sort of a report, he would say, give me a week or two. I said, no, like, I need it right now.
Systems were broken, data was all over the place. That in part informed bad decisions. It just didn't work.
If the CEO doesn't get a report for a week or two, how's anyone building their business without access to data?
Traeger had dozens of data sources, and they all need to be pulled together. With our Adrenaline technology, we were able to handle huge amounts of data with low query time.
As soon as the data was into Domo, we came in, made 3 or 4 tweaks, and they started taking off from there.
We have Salesforce, we've got our ERP, we've got Google Analytics, our shopping cart. It really brings all of that data into one location without requiring extensive support from IT.
Using tools like the Workbench, we could set it all up once, we can connect it directly to our ERP, and it was all automated. It really allows us to see everything before it became an issue and before it impacted the customer and solve problems before they hit anybody else.
We've started using different scheduled reports. Tools like Beast Mode will allow you to look for certain criteria pretty quickly. And the Magic ETL makes it super easy to transform data into whatever you need. What it really means is you have the power of SQL without having to understand the language.
What's great about Domo is what we couldn't accomplish with the previous BI tool, we were able to establish in a week.
We set alerts across many different data points in the business. Let's say my product cost is trending higher in China than it should be. Immediately, we get an alert. What access to data has allowed people to do is see a problem, see an opportunity, and when they're empowered, it gives them the ability to act for themselves.
When we started talking to them and saying, where are you guys using Domo? Their easier question to ask us was, where are we not using Domo?
I was hooked the first time I opened the app on my phone. Real time, anywhere in the world, in my back pocket, I had access. I wake up in the morning, I look at my Domo app, I know 100 things that have happened to the business while I have been sleeping.
The best parts of our day are spending time in Domo, like exploring data, new ways to understand that data, and then visualize that data so that we can add value across the organization.
When there's a question that needs to be answered, it's assumed it's going to be answered through Domo.
We use data to make decisions. That's culturally who we are. What Domo has done for me as a CEO is decide, what do I have to know? What is the data that I need to be well-spoken in a meeting to help make decisions, and how do I get to that concise data quickly? If I'm spending all of my time in meetings trying to access data, I can't be a great CEO.